everybody. Hi guys. Today I'm going to teach you guys about greatest common factoring. Well, if you see here, I have blue dots and red dots. The red dots stand for the number 4, and the blue dots stand for the number 10. And we're always the blues are counting by 10, and the reds are counting by 4. Okay, so here, what we're going to do is we're going to do 10, make our little factor tree, and 4, we're going to make our other factor tree. What we're doing here is we're doing 5 groups of 2, 2 groups of 5, and 5 groups of 2. And then here we're going to do 2 times 2, 2 groups of 2. And what we're going to do, we are going to cross out the 5 and one of the 2's. And we're going to match it up with one of the other 2's. And then we are going to go 2 times 2. It may equal 4, but the answer equals 2. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video, and subscribe and press the bell so you get notifications when we post. Bye!